It was very exciting to end the year with an event in Kuils River, also known as Repta. This is the area on the Cape Flats that has produced very famous sports people and also poets and activists, and it is really an honor for the Department of Social Development to come to this area to show that we appreciate sacrifices that the elders made so that we can enjoy the freedoms we have today. So we had many children here, as young as 3 years old. They came with their grandmothers, their grandfathers, the children to take us on the stage, and government and the Department of Social Development, we felt that this was a climax to the hard work that the Department of Social Development and the Child Protection Unit has been doing for this whole year. And we will certainly come back to Kuils River and put this event on our calendar. The event was organized in a very nice venue. Everyone enjoyed themselves, and it was such a pleasure to see so many of our child protection staffers coming to throw their weight behind this event. And the people of Sarepta and Kuils River really appreciated it because they saw all of government at this event. They know now that they haven't been forgotten. The sacrifices of their grandfathers, grandparents has been recognized, and I think that was for me very important.